Hello guys, for this one it's a little different. It's not a how-to, really, just a kind of what I did to do this costume. I decided to do a Wonder Woman costume for my daughter. We all dressed up as superheroes, as you can see here, and unfortunately I didn't get my costume and my husband's costume on video. It was a lot of work doing theirs, and so I kind of didn't want to do with the camera, unfortunately, because they actually turned out pretty good in my opinion. But there is one for my daughter, and then there's a video to how I made all the animals as well. As for my son's, his was super simple. I embroidered a Superman symbol on his shirt, and then we just kind of bought the suspenders and the glasses, and he already had the jeans and the shirt to go along with it. So I guess we'll just do my daughter's for now. But I jumped on Pinterest and looked for different ideas and inspirations for making this costume. I found that I wanted a blue tutu because they're adorable on little babies. So I looked for one of those, and I liked the little headbands that they have, and I really liked the little rope hanging down from them. And then, of course, here in Michigan it's cold, so we had to do warmer clothes. Alright, so let's jump into this. So for the materials that I used, I had a few items that I had laying around in my stash, and then the other items I got from the craft store. The onesie and the long pants I found on Amazon. And that's all you really need for this. It's super simple. Now, I would like to state that I did this before I had, like the Cricut machine that you can actually print out an iron-on patch. So I kind of did it the old school way. And I was oblivious. I did not know that they actually have iron-on sheets at Joann's that you can actually just cut. You can trace and cut out yourself and then iron on. That would have been nice to have, but unfortunately I didn't know that at the time, so all I did was just hot glued it on to the shirt, which is not ideal because obviously it's not going to be able to be worn again because, it's just paper on a shirt glued on, so it's going to come off, unfortunately. So keep that in mind if you do want to do a costume like this. Then they do have, iron-on sheets at craft stores. If you don't even have a machine, you could just use it with your scissors at home. So to make the tutu skirt, you start with a ribbon or a rope in my case. I wanted it to look more Wonder Woman-ish, so I made it out of a rope. And you just tie 2 knots and then use your tool and put it around the rope. This is just a fast way to show you how to do it. There are other amazing tutorials to actually explain how to do this better than I did, but this is just a quick version. And then I just tied a bunch of these on to make the full skirt, like so. Voila, a full skirt. Next, I decided to make the headband, and this trim I just found laying around my house in my stash, and then I used the same paper that I used for the shirt for the crown, and I just glued a little red star on that. Super simple, yet pretty cute. And here I'm kind of deciding on if it would look better in front or behind. I thought maybe it would be cuter if it had the same like trim all the way around, but then I changed my mind and put it on behind. I thought that looked better. Alright, so unfortunately I don't have any actual pictures or videos of this when it's on her. I don't know why, so this is just a quick clip from Instagram. And this is a win because it's adorable, of course. Alright guys, thanks for watching this win or fail. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye bye.